We are on deck 10 and our room is 156. This is a Verandah suite on MSC Seascape, leaving out of Galveston. And here you have to leave your key in here in order for the lighting to work. You've got a thermostat here on the wall. I'll let you know how well it works. On this cruise, you've got 3 hooks here for coats or sweaters. This is the bed. It's quite contemporary, which is lovely, I think. I personally like more contemporary ships. In the closet, you've got a safe and some shelves here and some more drawers in the bottom. The other side is for hanging, but I cannot seem to open it. You've got lighting on both sides of the bed, and you can see there's one that's angled, where if you want to do some reading at night, here, I'll show you. Here, you can angle this. If you need to read at night, you don't want to disturb your partner. They have a nice, gigantic mirror, and then a TV here. And all along here, you've got the remote. You can order room service here. There's some of the paperwork and things that they normally give you on cruise. They give you tons of these on cruise ships. And I really like that they put the phone here on the wall as opposed to taking up space here on the vanity. We've got some USB-C ports, power ports here. That's a European style plug. Some shelves here, a garbage can. Some more drawers here, a little vanity drawer with a hair dryer. Actually, we brought our own hair dryer because we heard that the hair dryers were not good on the ship. We're not that great, but this actually looks like a perfectly fine hair dryer to me. I'll let you know a little bit later on what I think of their hair dryer because I have to have a hair dryer when I travel. There's some Kleenex there, a nice vanity mirror, and we've got a refrigerator here, and it is stocked, but of course you do have to pay for it. So here's the pricing here in case you're interested. It's like the water is $5.25 or $3.25 depending on the size. You've got some beer and some nuts in there. And then you can order room service. You can scan the QR code there and see a menu and then also get pizza delivered. Or I think you can order drinks. Here is an ice bucket and some more shelving. And here is bring you out to the balcony. It's a decent sized balcony. You've got an overhang, so if it's raining, you can sit outside if you'd like. There's 2 chairs here, and then there's like a coffee table. You can put your feet up on there. I'm gonna go ahead and close this because it's kind of loud. And I'm gonna bring you into the bathroom. All right, here's the shower, which I love these stand-up showers with no bathtubs in there. Usually the more modern ships have these. They've got some, it looks like shampoo and shower gel. You've got a handheld shower head, which you can remove, which is nice. A little bar for putting your foot there if you're gonna be shaving. Let's see, you've got the sink in the corner here. Looks like a soap dispenser, which I don't know if I've ever seen one of these before, for your soap. And you can put like your cotton balls and things in here. And there's some more shelving in here, some hand towels there, and your toilet. That's all. I'll let you know how everything goes on this cruise.